Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. In this tutorial, we will discuss using the if function. The if function is a powerful tool in SmartSheet that allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. This function can return one value if a condition is true and another value if the condition is false, making it essential for creating dynamic and responsive sheets. The if function is incredibly versatile because it enables you to automate decision-making within your sheets. Whether you're evaluating sales targets, tracking project statuses, or creating custom alerts, the if function helps you manage your data with greater accuracy and efficiency. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you're tracking sales for different products across various regions. We want to check whether the sales figures for each product meet or exceed a target of $1,500. If the sales meet or exceed the target, we want to return target met. If they fall short, we want to return below target. First, identify the range of cells that contains the data you're interested in. In our example, this would be the sales column, where each cell contains the sales figure for a specific product. Now we want to define the condition. The if function requires you to define a condition that will be tested. For example, we can check if the sales figure is greater than or equal to $1,500. If this condition is true, the formula will return one value, and if it's false, it will return another. In a new cell, enter the formula displayed on the screen. This formula tells SmartSheet to check whether the value in the sales column is greater than or equal to $1,500. If the condition is true, it will return target met. If the condition is false, it will return below target. After entering the formula, SmartSheet will evaluate the condition for each row and display either target met or below target based on the sales figure. The if function is not just limited to simple comparisons. You can take it to the next level by combining it with other functions or by nesting multiple if functions to handle more complex scenarios. For example, you could create a multi-level evaluation that assigns different statuses based on a range of sales figures. Let's consider some practical applications for the if function. Project management. Use the if function to automatically update project statuses based on progress, such as marking tasks as complete or in progress based on deadlines. Sales tracking. Quickly assess whether sales targets are being met and take action if they aren't, without manually checking each figure. Data analysis. Create custom alerts or messages in your data, such as flagging entries that fall below a certain threshold or highlighting exceptional performance. And there you have it. The if function in SmartSheet is an incredibly useful tool for making logical decisions within your sheets and automating your data management tasks. By mastering this function, you'll be able to streamline your workflows and handle complex scenarios with ease. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.